Yeah, I got an online order for Ken Rogers. All right, thank you.
I'll be right with you.
All right, thank you. See if we can find a place to park. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just went to Taco Bell. This has been out for a little bit. It's the shredded beef. I'm going to butcher this name. Shredded beef grilled cheese dipping taco, something like that. There it is right there. It's very messy. It's going to be very interesting to eat this. But it smells good. It's been out for a little bit, and I've been wanting to try it. And I thought, hey, I want to try it with you guys. So I'm going to attempt to get this out of here. And it comes with a some sort of, it's going to spill. It's a red sauce. A red sauce. I don't know what that is. Or I guess it's like an enchilada sauce or some kind. And just some, looks like nacho cheese dip. I ain't too sure about that. My biggest concern right off the bat, and I'm hoping it's worth it, I'm going to, just for the sake of making a mess, I got to go back to work, and this is going to be incredibly messy. All right. It's very cheesy, just the way it's supposed to be. I'm going to try it with nothing on it. Just play by cheese. It's very good. Cheese is good. I'll try to open it up for you, but I think it's just going to fall apart. So I'm not going to do that. This would probably be better review if I was sitting at the table, to be quite honest. My biggest concern, as I was going to say, is the price. This thing retails for $3.99. I think a regular taco's $1.99. It's about the same size, but I'll tell you what, there's some flavor there. There is some flavor. I'm gonna see if I can't open it up where they grilled it. Let me try to, it is shredded beef. I'm gonna get some dipping sauce. That's the red sauce. So dang messy. It's kind of like their enchilada sauce, which is good. Tell you what, for the price, that's where I'm struggling. This is good. This is very good. But is it worth $4? That I'm not too sure of. It is good, very tasty, with the mixture of the cheese, the beef, and the red sauce. I'm giving it a thumbs up on flavor. I like it a lot. I'm gonna try this. It's basically just nacho cheese. Add to what cheese is already there. Okay, it's good. Would I order it again? Maybe. I don't know if I'll order it again at that price. I'm making a mess. Kind of gimmicky, to be quite honest. I guess their selling point is a dipper. You can dip it. But I'd probably just get a good Supreme Taco at almost half the price before I do this again. Again, it's good. It is good. Let me finish up this video. You can see that? That is a mess. So that's what you're buying. You're buying a $4 mess that tastes pretty good, in my not so humble opinion. I didn't get any desserts this time, but I bought 2 of these thinking, and I'm glad I did, because one's not going to do it for me. Alright guys, it's the Taco Bell. It's the cheesy shredded beef dipping taco. I'll give it a thumbs up in flavor. I'd probably just get a good Supreme taco before I do that again, to be honest. And it's way overpriced in my opinion. $4 that's too much for that. Too much for that. So guys, thank you as always. There's my not so humble opinion of that taco from Taco Bell. It's always good to go to Taco Bell, or Taco Hell, some people say it. Thank you as always, guys, and I'll just see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.